I think this is the fourth one. Probably on the 30th, I think. So anyways, happy 2026 coming up. So this is Yeti. I've seen it before. This one is only 25 grand. The small one here was perfect size. Monthly payment too. So if you could literally take this one if you wanted to, as an RV, I think, if you wanted to. Probably put a bed or something, I don't know. You know what you need in here. Doesn't have any head, but go ahead. The small one. You can handle that one. So Yeti is pretty Mr. Popularity. This one's 81 grand. What do you guys think, huh?
We can make do with it.
Yeah, I think you could do it. I think, just bring it home to the wife. So guess what? Ooh. Geez.
What the hell was that?
What the hell was that? Get my head cut off. Woo! Look out, brothers. Oh, no. This comes down. That's pretty funny. I got my hat caught up in that thing right there. It's like, oh, my goodness. But here's your holes you can drill in over there. Watch out, bro. You got your, I think this is the head. You could shower in the shower. Yeah, you could. It's nice. So this could be a little RV year round. It looks like a hell of a lot better than other RVs. So you could buy this and be multi-purpose. You can go out and everything else. A lot better than the other ones I've seen in the RV club. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. So 81 grand, usually 90 grand. So that's a bigger one. This one is 69,000. So a lot of people inside. I don't want to go in there. A lot of people are in there. So we'll cruise over here. Cruising out of here. But this is pretty funny. I took a picture with him. I remember that from last year. More behaviors. More tackle. Perch patrol. We got all kinds of fun. Vexler. I was already over there already, so let's go over here. Sven's. All kind of stuff. Oh yeah. I like this. I make omelets on my YouTube channel. I love this. This is nice. I like that nickel plate. I like it. How much something like this? What is this?
$130 for the set.
That's not bad. $130. That's pretty good. What is it? Propane? What is it? Propane? What is it?
So you're just buying the griddle.
Okay. How much is the griddle?
Yeah.
What? I mean, is it a gas or is it electric?
No, this is for gas.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Nice. I like this one too as well. Yeah. Nice. I think it's cool. Very, very nice. I like it. Cool, not bad. For the griddle, what did you say for the griddle? How much?
$130 for the set, for the sides, the utensils.
Wow, okay.
So you get this.
So not this, but just this.
Yes.
Okay, nice. All right. Very nice. I love rolling omelets, so
Yeah.
I like it. All right. Outfitter's Edge, you guys. That was kind of cool. More stuff in here. Fishing more. All kinds of fun lures. I mean, it's Rapala. They used to be in Bloomington, but you name it, they have it, man. Oh, there's a dog. That's sweetheart. Service dog. Cruising around. Look at all those bad boys. Decoys. How much is the decoy? What's this?
150.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Spear?
What?
You spear?
No, my father-in-law did.
Oh, nice.
He had two big northerns up on his wall that he speared. And my brother-in-law, who's blind, got them. So in his house. So he makes stuff with wood. My brother-in-law's blind. He makes anything with wood. He'd be able to make this right here. If you need to make it, he'd be able to do it.
Wow, cool.
Oh yeah, you wouldn't know he's blind. He made me a really good bar one time. And oh yeah. So when he fishes, he just wait. He'll cast out and wait for it to pull. So he'll do without for worm. Yeah. So my father-in-law I was big game. He was more sunnies and crappies. You know. More gloves. The dog, following the dog. More jackets. You okay? Deep Freeze Fishing Company. More jackets, as you can see. More gloves. Whole bunch. Look at that.
Oh, Matthias, helped you make the future trade, man? Any questions? Yeah, let's go back to the one.
Yeah, more fun stuff here, as you can see, you guys. A bunch more. Backpacks. And there's more stuff over there. We'll go over there too as well. So it's a bunch. A lot of videoing yet to do. So they got Beaver Dam. Whatever the hell this is. I don't know what that is all about. Best fishing tie-up money can buy. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. So there's a bunch more on the other side. There's a lot of stuff here. So who's over here?
20% off the jaw jacket.
Go over here real quick.
Just scared as hell.
What do they have here? More stuff. Oh yeah. Catch and cook. Gotta have the seasoning. They got hats. This looks like a lot of different stuff here. The resorts over here to the left. So they kind of like that bike show I was to before. Bunch of stuff. American Surplus Manufacturer, castleparts.com. So probably go online, buy it. So Fox River over there. More stuff. But yeah, so you can probably buy all kinds of fun stuff. Surplus behaviors. Propane tank heater. Heat hog. I love it.
You got these Shalali receivers and everything.
Interesting.
Yep, straight through those doors.
More stuff over here. Excuse me. Mille Lacs Lake, they're over there. Mille Lacs Lake is a good lake. I know that you're a walleye state fish, but there's more in that Mille Lacs Lake than there is walleye. It's too bad. Until you get past that, it's a great lake. There's a lot of sunfish in there. As you can see, all this stuff, you can, a whole bunch. Just like basic fishing gear. These are not cheap either. More jackets, more lures, as you can tell. Fishing line. It's just, it's unbelievable. If you come here to buy something, you don't. I do like that shoe thing I saw. I might buy a pair of those on the way out the door, but these are nice. I like these a lot. These are nice. If I was gonna buy another pair, I would. Those are nice. Beanies. More of these. I do like that. Those are nice. Ion. Ice fishing. Oh my goodness. Green. Got more jackets here, as you guys can see. I'm like, holy moly. So there's my. All right, I got a phone call, you guys. I gotta go.